Hello and welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here and can't wait to share our content with you. Whether you're a first-time viewer or a long-time subscriber, we're grateful for your support. We created this channel to share our passion for all things finance. It has been a journey of discovery, growth, and learning, and we're grateful for the opportunity to connect with people who share our interests. Our goal is to create a space where we can learn, inspire, and challenge each other to be the best versions of ourselves. We hope that our videos will bring value to your life and help you achieve your goals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. And feel free to share your thoughts and feedback in the comments section. We value your input and look forward to hearing from you. In this video, we're going to discuss the different credit union credit card rewards programs, specifically focusing on earning cash back and other credit card benefits. The members-owned credit unions, which are non-profit financial institutions. The goal of credit unions is to offer their members low-cost financial services and goods. To give their members more benefits, credit unions provide credit cards with rewards programs. Credit unions frequently provide credit card benefits like cashback rewards programs. The cardholder receives a portion of their purchase as cash rewards when using cashback rewards. Reward redemption options for cashback include statement credits, checks, and direct deposits into the cardholder's bank account. The PenFed Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature Card is a well-known credit union credit card with cashback rewards. A flat 2% cashback rate is provided by this credit card on all purchases. The cardholder's PenFed checking account may be credited with the cashback rewards in the form of a statement credit or a direct deposit. The Navy Federal Credit Union Cash Rewards Credit Card is another credit union credit card that provides cashback rewards. The cashback rate on all purchases with this credit card is a flat 1.5%. The cardholder's Navy Federal Credit Union account may receive a statement credit or a deposit in exchange for the cashback rewards. A cap on the amount of cashback that can be earned may apply to some credit union credit cards that offer cashback rewards. For instance, the PenFed Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature Card has a spending limit for cashback rewards of $50,000 per year. In addition to cashback rewards, credit unions also provide credit card benefits. Travel rewards are one well-liked perk. Credit cards with travel rewards offer points or miles for travel purchases that can be exchanged for travel-related costs like airfare, lodging, and rental cars. A credit union credit card that rewards travel is the Aligned Cashback Visa Signature Card. For the first year of use, this credit card offers a flat 2.5% cashback on all purchases, and after that, it offers 1.5% cashback on all purchases. You can use the cashback rewards to pay for travel-related costs. The Golden One Credit Union Platinum Rewards Credit Card is another credit union credit card that provides travel rewards. For each dollar spent on purchases with this credit card, 1 point is awarded. Gift cards, merchandise, travel-related costs, and other things can all be purchased with points. Low or no annual fees are another well-liked credit union credit card benefit. The goal of credit unions is to give their members access to affordable financial services and products. Compared to credit cards from conventional banks, credit union credit cards might have lower annual fees. There is no annual fee for the DCU Visa Platinum Credit Card, a credit union credit card. Additionally, this credit card has no balance transfer fees and a low interest rate. Credit unions may also provide low interest rates on credit cards in addition to low or no annual fees. Cardholders who have low interest rates can reduce their interest costs. A credit union credit card with a low interest rate is the Lake Michigan Credit Union Prime Platinum Visa Credit Card. Additionally, there are no annual, balance transfer, or cash advance fees with this credit card. To give their members more benefits, credit unions provide credit cards with rewards programs. Credit unions frequently provide credit card benefits like cashback rewards programs. Credit unions also provide credit cards with low or no annual fees and travel rewards. To find the credit union credit card that best suits your needs and spending preferences, it is crucial to conduct research on them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. And feel free to share your thoughts and feedback in the comments section. Once again, thank you for clicking on our video and being a part of this community. Let's learn, grow, and build something together.